Hi, if you are interested to get a free RDP without paying any money and to use it for an unlimited amount of time, so this free RDP will work for you lifetime. So it will not work for you only for a couple of hours, something like this kind of Google free RDPs. No, this one will work for you completely for free for lifetime with no problems, and you don't have to pay any money. Well, so as you can see right here, this RDP is located, or the server is located in Germany. My own country, it's not Germany, and this is the localization uh, of this RDP right here. Let's test it. Let's test this RDP with the speed test to see the internet speed on this RDP. So as you can see right here, the mouse of this RDP is lagging, so this means this is actually a real RDP. So let's click on go to see the performance of this RDP, and I will share with you how you can get one for yourself as well. It's completely for free using one platform. So as you can see right here, this is an amazing performance. Look at how much megabytes per second we have right here. It's a lot. This connection on this RDP is actually good. It's the best thing to get with paid. As you can see right here, look at the ping, look at the upload, the download. It's super, as you can see right here. So how you can get an RDP like this one for yourself as well? Well, I'm actually using a website that help you to get RDPs. This is the website. As you can see, I can't control my RDP using this interface in this website. I can create accounts. So if you want an RDP to create accounts, if you want RDP to create, for example, Google AdSense accounts, for affiliate marketing, for email marketing, to avoid to get banned, to verify accounts and all of these stuffs, this is the best website to use because it's completely for free. I just created the account just right now, and I have a free RDP, and I can use it for a lifetime, with no problems. This is the website. As you can see right here, the website is hyperbeam.com. Each YPERRBEIM.com. So this is the website. Just go to Google and type it, or I will leave the link of this website in the description below. It's just a direct link. It's not affiliates or something like that. So by using this platform, we can create ROMs, right? Because basically this website, it doesn't, it's the main use, or the main purpose for this website is to use it to share screen with others, but we are not interested in sharing screens with others, because Hyperbeam is a platform that you can use to watch movies with your friends in a different area. So if you are not with your friends together in one place to watch movies, you can watch movies with your friends together online. So this platform help you to watch the same movie with your friends. But so yeah, that's it actually, and basically this is the main usage for this platform. People use it to watch movies and to do something online together, right? But we're gonna use it as as an RDP to browse the internet, to create accounts, and to do all of what we want, and completely for free. So yes, they have the paid plan, but we don't need the paid plan, because with the free plan, with $0 plan, we still be able to use this RDP completely for free, as you can see. So this is the best thing ever. You don't have to go with other platforms and networks that asks you that, or that's offering for you a 1 hour free RDP, or an RDP for for one day, and at the end of the day you need to pay money. This one will not ask you to pay any money. How to create one? It's completely free. Once you create an account, just have to go to this website, hyperbeam.com, then enter your email to create your account using your email, and as well and create a password, and you will have your account like this. How you can create an RDP over a ROM, because in this website the name of RDPs or the sessions is ROMs. So how you can do it, it's just by clicking on added the ROM, right? So once you click on added the ROM, you will see something like this one. Okay, let's do it right now. Once you click on added ROM, right here you will get asked to enter a name of the ROM. Let's say RDP1. Let's name it RDP1 and let's click on create. Once I click on create, they will give you a link that you can share with others, because we say that we can use this to watch movies together with other people, but we are not interested in that. You just click on start browsing, and once you click on start browsing, then you will okay, so open new browser, start browsing, just click on open a new browser. You already have an active session. Okay, so close browser, and as you can see right here, it said initialization connecting. Now it's connecting to the RDP, and boom, we are connected to this RDP right now. Here is the name of this RDP. This is the name RDP1. So what we have to do right here, we can do anything, you know. Let's go to Google, click enter, and the internet is completely, you know, fast. It's amazing, and you can use it for anything you want. Actually, you can use it to watch videos, to download them, to do many different stuff. So let's go to speed test as well, and you can test it. It's, you know, this platform actually is a good one to use. Let's click on a consent and click on OK, go, and you will see that, you know, the upload and download, you know, the internet connection is very good in this platform and completely for free, as I said. That's why I think this is the best platform to use, even if it's not, you know, if they didn't give you the full access for an RDP. You are not allowed to install softwares, to download softwares, to do this kind of, you know, downloading stuffs, to use it for something like to run softwares. But it's a good thing if you are just looking for an RDP to create some accounts. You don't want to create this account in your own PC, so you want a different PC. You can use this one. You can use it, for example, for people that are selling on eBay. They need some RDPs to create accounts. You can use this one as well if you are as well interested in because we are using RDPs to avoid the multiple account issues. So that's why basically we are using this platform or RDPs generally, right? So that's it. That's everything about today's platform or today's video. If you are interested in this kind of content, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure as well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, so this way you support me to upload more content. See you